Hello everyone, I'm Kiran Mishra and today I'm going to show how to create table of content. Okay, so first of all, to create table of content you have to arrange all headings, subheading. Okay, so introduction is first heading, that's why I'm going to click it under heading. Okay, and similarly, objectives is under heading 2, that's why I'm going to keep this under heading 2, and general objective and specific objective are subheading under first heading, that is objective, that's why I'm going to keep general and specific objective under heading 2 by this way, and similarly specific objective under heading 2, and similarly material and method under heading first, study area under heading second. Okay, and methodology under heading first, and environmental setup under heading second. Similarly, likewise, web condition also heading second, and similarly heading second. References is first heading, that's why I'm going to keep this under heading first. Now come back on the top of the Word document, create some space from for references. Go to references over here, table of content, to automatic table there. Now we are done with table of content. Now to arrange font, go to home, font 12, and times table of content, keep it black. Now that's it. By this way you can create table of content in very easy and effective way. If there are any confusion, then please don't forget to comment on comment section. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video.